4 and 10 balls. One. Yes. Super. Good. Good.
So far the camp iko poa, kila mtu anajituma sana. Our group it looks tough but it's not tough. Football is changing. We don't fear Morocco or Senegal or Algeria. Sisi tunajua tunaenda kuface opponents and tunajua tuko worthy the task.
The girls have not received their, of course they've not received their last allowances for the past 2 matches. They need something to motivate them. They've asked that the president sees them off. Of course that means something. It means first of all it means support. Then secondly, of course, President ucheza kama yeye. So I know we are also looking forward to see what is in store for us.